So let's create a job from the quotations that are on the system and show you how to add it onto the diary. You're in the client's record here, and on the top set of tabs there's the jobs tab. If we click into there, we can see that we've got a job summaries at the top, and if we click add new, that puts a new job summary on there. So just to give you some insight into what's on here, we've got a job date, and I'll show you where that comes from later. We've got the invoice, so that's the invoice that this job's being invoiced on, and then the system's giving us a clue. It's giving us a job status here, so it's got no date and no details in at the moment. Then it's got the staff member that's going to be doing the job, and I'll show you where that's populated from. And then we've got contact source and telephone number source. They're obviously tracked at job level for every job. And then we've got the net and the gross amounts for this job summary. And then we've got a field here called job notes. So if you're asked to collect a key from a neighbour or something like that, and you want to put specific details on, you can add that in here. So we could put key at neighbour number 23 or something like that. So you can put any job notes in there that you want to appear on the job card. So don't worry about the other information that's on the end here. That's explained in one of the other videos. But what we've got here is we've got a job added onto the system, but there's no detail or date associated with it yet. What you'll see in the second grid down is the quotations. So this is a complete history of all the quotes that we've ever done for the clients. And you'll notice that they're there from, there's two quotes on there, quote number 5 and quote number 6 from different dates. So we're actually able to add items from any quote that we've done in the past onto this job. And when we add them on, they appear at the bottom here in the job details grid at the bottom, and I'll show you now how that works. So we're going to create a job from these quotations in the middle. The first item we've got on there is the Chinese rug. If we wanted to do the clean only service on this, all we need to do is in the line for the Chinese rug and the column for the clean only, we've got the price £76. If we double click that, you'll see that adds that onto the job details at the bottom section here. So it's put the whole details on, and then it's put the details of what we'll be doing on this job. The service code is clean only, and the service price and the details and things. So it's as simple as that. All you need to do is double click the price for the item in the section here, quotation section in the middle here, and that'll add that onto the job. So let me show you how that would work with, for instance, the lounge carpet. Let's say we're going to have that done on the Clean and Protect service. So we can double click the Clean and Protect price, which is £161. That'll add that onto the job details below. But you'll notice on here as well that we've quoted for the extras. We've quoted for an anti-allergen treatment extra. And if we want to add that onto the lounge carpet as well, we can just double click that, and you'll notice that's added that onto the line down here as well. So you can see we created there a job from two different quotation dates, information, and also at different service levels. So that's going to appear on the job that you're going to print out. All we need to do now is add this onto the diary. So we go up to the job date box here, and we've put a little shortcut in. If you double click in this box, what that will do is take you through into the diary, and you'll notice from the setup on the side here that it's already set up to book a job for this client. And you'll also notice as well that it's defaulted to fixed appointment time. If you wanted it to be flexible, you could choose that in here as well. So now it's just a case of you look through the diary, see when you want to fit this in. So I'm going to fit this in. Let's have a look at tomorrow. Left click and hold at the 9 o'clock if that's when you want to arrive at the client's house. Drag that out till 12 because that's when we're expecting to be completed. We get an opportunity here to put some user notes in. So that's just a free text field in there. Then we click confirm, and that adds that to the diary. So now it's on the diary. One of the things you can do is if we come to this button here, we can print out the job card, and there's an option for a job card with a logo on and a job card without the logo on. You can also print the job questionnaire as well from this button here. So that's it. That's how you can create a job from various quotations and add it onto the diary.